Okay, so this flywheel here is off a 90s 3-horse. Okay, and of course you got your coil, electronic. Donkey. I'll take this little compressor and pull that up real quick. I don't have any lead plugs left, so let's see. All right, that's good. Now, key. Let's see. That's a good one. Now, there's a different key you could that supposedly the electronic ignition uses. I have never actually come across it. To me, they're all the same. They're just a crappy little key. There we go. Always check your washers, make sure they're not split. These little cone, they're kind of a cone shape. They're cupped, so when you tighten it, oh, that's right. See what I'm doing here? That's my bad. The old style actually comes through. Okay. Now you have to cut off, I believe, 3/8 to put the modern recoil. We're not going to do that. We are going to put the old one back on. I will take this apart after I put it together, though. Later, clean it up a little. I do need to get a flywheel holder though, or make a band that'll tighten. Could use probably an old serpentine belt or something. Yeah. I'm sure there's a torque spec for this somewhere. Now, let's put my thumb over it. I feel a little suction. I might pull the head off and check the valves if it needs to be cleaned, but one way I can do it quicker is actually just put this guy off real quick. Yeah, she's got carbon. What is that? Weird. Looks like leaves or grass clippings or something in there. Weird. See, it's wet and gooky. All right. This is the one we're putting on. Let's see. We are using this cover. Cylinder side. Huh. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the damn thing, and that's kind of important to make sure you're putting it together right, isn't it? All right, now, if you look here, this placement of the rivet is not going to line up. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to notch it. All right, so we got it notched here, so it clears. Just put a bolt through. Come on. All right, so now this guy's got to be spaced. So we have another one. How did I do this last time? I used tape, didn't I? All right. So to give us the correct spacing, 2 nuts and a washer. Basically, I'm just going to do it like this. And I will take this like so. I have some smaller nuts, but this is what I have on hand. So that's what we're going to use. There we go. Now I'm going to take off the tape. Now I forgot to grab a kill switch tipper thing for here, so I'll have to get that later. Let's see what we're looking for now. Need a business card. Let's see. Come on. Don't be so high. Weird. Where this is acting really odd. Okay. I don't know if this plug's gonna work. It's pretty shitty looking. Yeah, let's see. I have something that's kind of metal in here. Okay, let me tip this so you can see it a little bit. Let's try to zoom it in. Hoping you can see it. I'm going to shut the light out in here real quick, just so you can see what it looks like when it's firing. Alright, let's try this again. Oop, I don't want that so tight. So, I want to turn easy. Come on, baby. Am I not in all the way? They were working a second ago. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, one second. Let me do this. There. That should have been visible. Okay. So anyway, that's what we got with the electronic coil. So yeah, flywheel is off. Basically, it's off the horizontals, like some 3-horse horizontals. This is coil off the classic series from the 80s, 90s. So the difference is 1 magnet versus 2 magnets. So the polarization is, let me zoom back out here. Sorry, I forgot again. I do that sometimes. Yeah, the polarization is different. So it's got the single versus 2. But yeah, we got spark now. Got the carb here. This isn't the one I'm using, is it? No. Is Yeah. How the hell did it get all dirty? I just cleaned the damn thing. Must have fell on the floor. All right. Well, I'll clean it again later. Yeah. So everything seems good. It's interesting, this 3-to-1 ratio, that I can actually turn the engine over using the gear reduction box because of the way it's geared. The 6-to-1, no, it doesn't work, but it is a little stiff. Now, the amount of end play here is, in my opinion, too much, but that can be shimmed. So, well, we will take this guy apart. Let's see here. These are the open ones. Some of these are open, some aren't. This is opened. All right, that should be fine then. Okay. So, these style carburetors don't really have anything to them. See a little bit of varnish here. But there's no diaphragms or anything to go bad. Okay. Just this one jet here. There's the jet, and there should be 2 holes in there. Don't know if you can see them very well, but there is 2 holes. And 1 hole in this guy should be cleaned. Alright, that's good. Now, when you do your screwdriver, you want to make sure you have the sides ground down, because the shoulder, you'll destroy your threads if you stick a regular screwdriver in these. Okay. Man, that leak in the air compressor is getting pretty bad. I got to fix that line. Alright. And you want to make sure you don't have this screwed into the holder or whatever when you put it back together, so back the screw out. This needle doesn't look scored or anything, so it's fine. Simple little carburetor, just like the one on the Clinton, that little Tilson, I believe it is. Okay, starting point, that's where she's tight. Half, 1, 1.5, about there. 1.5 turns. Okay. It's kind of catchy. Okay, so my next video will be me putting this stuff on after I got to cut new gaskets for here, gasket for here. I think I actually have some. If I don't, I'll just cut more. And I do think I'm going to pop the head. Decarbon the engine. Let's see. I do have a brand new head gasket. I have a couple of these, so we'll do that. I'll clean up the valves, make sure the seats are good. They need to be done. I'll do them. I got to add a elbow to this because the Clinton muffler on there, it's fine having the Clinton, it's fine. But the thing is, it's right against the carburetor. So I'm going to do, what is it, like a 47 degree? Is that what it comes in? I can't remember now. So it's just angled away. Open up this and I'll make a new cover for here. Because when I do my valves and everything. And then do this guy. Just a few things that have to be done. And then I'll put it together. Make sure it runs. Once I know it runs and runs good, I'll drain the fluids back out of it and I will be putting it up for sale. So